Hello my beautiful viewers on my channel, James Higgins Open World. What I've got for you now is a little announcement and then a review. Well, I've got a new James Higgins Open World hat coming, a blue one, with the stars on it. This has got I've got one for myself, and one will be entered into a competition which is coming up on this channel. Just waiting for, I've just ordered the two hats today to be done. A blue one, I haven't got a blue one, thingy, and it will be a new competition to win a hat. So keep watching James Higgins Open World for the hat premiere, the blue hat premiere, and the competition to win one. Right, that's that. Now, let's get. I've got some crisps to review. But the one I'm reviewing, which was mentioned in the comments first, is the Scampi fries. Yes, Scampi fries is being reviewed. But before I do that, I'll show you the other reviews which are coming up on this channel. Smith's chipsticks, they're coming up on this channel. Golden Wonder Transformer Snap Beef Flavour, they're coming up on this channel. Knick Knacks, nice and spicy, they're coming up on this channel. Golden Wonder Transformer Snacks Spicy, they're coming up on this channel. And Transformer Snack Cheese and Onion, they're coming up on this channel. Aye, good to you guys, eh? Aye, good to you guys. Right, let's get down to review one. There's bargains of the week coming up after this as well, which I've just done in Lidl. Just got to edit it now, but let's get to it. Scampi fries. Now, Scampi fries are a favourite in pubs. You always see them hanging on the wall. This is the only flavour that I could find. I saw someone mentioned them in the comments, so I thought I'll go out of my way to try and find it. I got it from my local garage. So let's give it a taste test here on my channel. See how good I am to you guys now I read the comments, eh? How good. What a channel. Channel of the future, right here, right now, eh? Ain't that right, Nick the Egg, eh? Right. Definitely got that Scampi fries fish smell to them. Scampi and lemon flavour cereal snack. I think this is the main flavour. Well, what do you think of that? Well, they're definitely exactly as I remember them to be. They don't seem to have, they seem to taste exactly as I remember them do. I must say though, I was never a massive Scampi fries fan, to be honest with you, but I saw in the comments it was mentioned, so I thought I'll do it. I'll try again, another one, and I will eat these. Marks out of 10. Or second. It's a 6 out of 10, to be honest with you. Because I was never a massive Scampi fries fan though, to be honest, but it's a 6 out of 10. Anyway, if you like this video, please subscribe.